Khasi Students Union KSU kalaai por Shitaiew ya ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC bakan pyntreikam ya ki jingmut jong ka MPSC Reforms Committee hakakai pot jong ka bala IT syaka sorkar jela house nam baladam ban pentikna ya ka jingshakri ka basai bat bomsha liang hakathungkam thongjam. Habakren Syllad pathai kubor ha ka khandai trik kala Lincoln chairman ka KSU Employment Cell usamla Ruben Najiar ula ong ba wat hadin bala IT ka kai pot ka committee na du benai nailar archa apsan pyntreikam patdan satya ka no ko jingkala bala pyntreikam ka bala penlong ya ka seng bakan yakin du ya chairman ka MPSC uba di langstang chairman ula ong ba ka commission kadang bishar benia ya kan ka kam pyntreikam dan AA Satya ban bisyara ka. Jingmut kadai nak benta ka MPSC bakan pyntreikam ong usamla Ruben. Namar kata ngila ai por Shitaiew ya chairman ka MPSC ban pyntreikam ya ki jingpen kala ki baya dei ber ka jingpelak pat ba ya ki marks bat ki wei ki jingpen kala ki badan ha ka kai phan kenang bakan dan ka rukam trekam ka basai ha ka jingpen nyat ha ka thungkam thungjam. Namar kumba kalong menta ngilayu I bakam dan satya ka no ko dok jing trekam ka basai ha ka thungkam thungjam ula benram. Ula ong ba ka KSU kala dawa ban pelat pat ba ya ki marks ka exam link ba ki objective type na ka benta ki grade C bat D bat ki jingpen banalat kam ki de ban long tang na ka benta ki nong shong snong ka Meghalaya. Haba keno ya ka MPSC halor ka jingman ra ya ki policy ba pher ban penyat kat ba man ya ki exam usamna Ruben ula ong ka wei na ki nuksa ka de ka jingpen long ya ka exam typist ya ka bala pelong ha ubenai nai bing arja pesan. Ngila yo I ba ha ki babon ki cap ya ki exam grade C ban D ya ki exam la ha ban le ling ba ki jingkeli ki bala ban jit multiple choice but ka exam ka de ban le ka objective type Henry ha ka kinti la penya le ka descriptive but balay baki kwa ban wanra ka descriptive namar kila ban I marks kat ba man namar ha ka objective type lada ki dan sanpo tli ki jingkeli balada pidai arpo tli ki jawab anam dan bala ban pen kelaya ka Henry ha ka descriptive ka syong ha u examiner laun IAP shipo nilai po marks kat ba umon but dan yeng kashri ki bala bentuk lar halor kani kam. Kumta ki kwa ban I marks kat ba ki man kenang bakin la ban tap kam yala ki jong ki brio. Samla Ruben ula ong ngi persyak jor ya kani bat kum ya kani ka jingle anam la ban pediang bat ka weiru baya ki jingben bana like kam nang ne shakman kam de shu ban long ya ki nong shong snong ka India Henry ka de ban long tang ya ki nong shong snong ka Meghalaya bat ya kanila le ya baro kathan shate la mingi namar ki kam ha ka jela ki de ki balamang tangi ki nong shong snong ka jela om ya kari baro khawai. Ula ong ru ba ka KSU ka suba ba ka jingbam dan man jong ka MPSC ban pyntreikam ya ki jingpen kala kami na ka jingkwa ban penne ya ka jingbam shai ha ka thungkam thungjam. Ka MPSC kam kwa satya ban pyntreikam ya kini ki jingpen kala namar ki sngobiang ya kani ka rukom trekam ka bamenta kabala bamsam bat kabala ban pendap ya ki jong ki kertong kat ba ki kertong ki babiang bat ki badai hok kim yo kam kat ba ki brio ki badan jingai bat ki bala ban siu da ka pisa ka ba he ki yo kam lada ki day ban wanra ya ka bakum kani ka system kum taru ki brio kin tip ya ki marks jongki bat kat no ki yo ha ka interview bat ki brio kin sedang ban bo jingkeli kumba kalong menta manu batho ha ka exam manu ba yo kat no marks kim tip ki shutip tat hadin bala pen bana ya ka result bala pen mi bat kini ki de ki kerteng ki bapas Henry kim tip wat ada ki pan RTI ru yo satya kumta ki arta tien ban wanra e kini ki jingkela lada ki le kan sadan ka jingpen rungkam ka basai ong samla Ruben ka KSU kalamaham ru bakan pelong da ka jingaki lada om pyntreikam no ya kini ki jingpen kela ya ka jingpen trekam jong ka MPSC hapo ka Shitaiew lada ka commission ka pulam ban pyntreikam ya kini ki jingpen kela kan penbor ngi ban shim da ki senjam ki bating kan thop ka jingpen sange ka jingpen nya ka jing thungkam tat hadu bandawan ra ka jingkala ong ka KSU ha ka Shitaiew chairman ka MPSC.
The Constituent Union Employment Monitoring Cell met the chairman of the MPSC today in regard to various issues that the union has seen over the time, which is pertaining to MPSC examinations. What we have seen is that in previous years the union has had many agitation protests for fair and transparent recruitment, and based on our continuous demand, the government has set up a committee, and that committee was headed by FR Karngor and IAS, and there are other members also in that committee. And based on the findings in the committee, we have also placed our 20-point charter, 20 points for fair and transparent recruitment in MPSC, and all those points were incorporated. Most of those points were incorporated in that report of the committee, and that report was established in the month of August. And we thought, like, since it's a government report and government has already sent it to MPSC to bring about changes, that MPSC will take into consideration and will bring about those changes. But it was sad for us to see that none of these changes has taken place, and which it has been 5 months, but none of those changes has taken place, which made us to come to meet the chairman to question him regarding his why is the commission has failed to initiate all those steps. To which he has said that, like, the commission is still studying the matter. In fact, there's nothing to study about it. The study and everything has been done from the committee. It's just for the commission to implement it. And today again we came officially with writing, and we have given 1 week time to the chairman and the other members of the committee that they have to implement these changes within 1 week, and that is a disclosure of marks and other reforms which are there in the report, so that there will be some transparency in the recruitment process. Because as of now we have seen there's no transparency in the recruitment process. Initially we have seen that we are trying to, from the union side, we are trying to bring about changes, positive changes, so that there will be free and transparent recruitment. But we have seen that commission, the MPSC in return, is bringing different policies so that to manipulate the examination. One such instances is the typist examination, which has been conducted in the month of November or December 2025. Most of the time we have seen that for these grade C and grade D examination, most of the examination has to be done through multiple choice questions. Means the written examination has to be done in an objective time. But this time around they have brought it through a descriptive. And why do you want to bring in descriptive form of examination? So that they can manipulate the marks. Because in objective type, if there is a 50 question and you get 20 correct answers, no one can change it. But in descriptive, it depends on the examiner whether he'll give you 10 marks, 20 marks, 30 marks, or whatever marks. It depends on him, and neither the court can also intervene in that matter. So they want to manipulate such kind of marks, so that they can fill in those their own candidates. So we have objected against that, and we have stated that such kind of practice will not entertain. And the other thing is that the advertisement henceforth should not be for citizens of India, but should be for domicile of Meghalaya. This is not practice. This is practice all over the region. Most of the northeast states and other parts of central India also practice that. State job are only meant for the domicile of that state itself, and not meant for all over India. See, they don't want to rectify, or they don't want to implement these changes because they are okay with the current system which is corrupted, the current system which can only fill their own candidates, whereas eligible and enthusiastic candidates, promising candidates are not getting employment, whereas people with connections and other people who are financially well, who can pay a large sum of money, are getting employed. So if they are to bring this kind of system, then obviously they will be put under the scanner. People will know their marks, people will know how much they can interview, and people will start raising questions. As of now, you never know who writes for examination, who sits examination, who get what marks. They don't know. They just know that after they have completed, a result is publishing showing that these are the particular names who have passed. but they don't know how much they get. Even if they file RTI, also most of the time they don't get it. So that's why they hesitate to bring these kind of changes, because if they bring these kind of changes, there will be a transparent recruitment. I will not say that the system is flawless, but it is one step ahead for transparent recruitment. There are certain other matters and aspects also which need to be changed, but at least we one step at a time. We have been very diligent in our approach. This matter has been pending for over a year. We have initiated dialogues. We have had dozens of meetings to bring about these positive changes. But if these changes are not being brought through dialogue, which we have initiated so far, then we have to take some extreme measures, and these extreme measures will not be towards their liking or anyone liking also, but we have to take it to ensure that there will be fair and transparent recruitment.